Keto Japanese Strawberry Shortcake. You will love this keto dessert recipe. Filling but light and refreshing, this stunning cake is constructed using keto vanilla cake, lightly sweetened whipped cream, and strawberries. Together, the cake is excellent for anyone on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. 2 vanilla cake layers are baked in separate pans. The first one is spread with whipped cream and decorated with fresh strawberry halves. Then it is topped with the second layer of cake and more whipped cream and berries. The construction is simple enough even for those with limited baking experience. Please use fresh strawberries only for this recipe. Slice them to remove the leaves and then cut them in half. Almond flour 3 cup. One cup coarse kosher salt 0.25. Baking powder 2 teaspoons. Butter 0.5 cup. Almond milk 0.5 cup. Vanilla extract 2 teaspoon. 2 large raw eggs. 1 cup heavy whipping cream. 1 cup monk fruit erythritol blend. 8 large 1 3/8 diameter strawberries. Preheat the oven to 350 F in a bowl. Combine the almond flour, monk fruit blend, kosher salt, and baking powder with a wooden spoon or spatula. Melt the butter and add that to the bowl along with the eggs and vanilla. Heat the almond milk in the microwave until hot and add it to the dough mixture. I like to use hot milk because it helps keep the cake extra moist after the baking process. Mix well with a spatula. Grease 2 6-inch cake pans with avocado oil. Then evenly divide the batter between the 2 cake pans. Bake the cakes for 10 minutes, then rotate them after 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown on top. Allow the cakes to cool completely in the pans. They will be too delicate to remove before they are cooled down, so use caution. In the meantime, whip the heavy cream with the remaining monk fruit blend until stiff peaks form. Wash and prepare the strawberries by cutting off the leaves and slicing them in half. Once the cakes are cooled, run a knife around the outside edge of the first cake. Invert the cake onto a plate. Top the entire layer with strawberry halves turned cut side down. Spread the cake with a generous portion of whipped cream. The cream and strawberries will form the inside layer. Invert the second cake onto another plate or parchment paper and place it bottom side up on top of the cream. This will expose the flat base to become the top part of the cake. Spread the cake with another generous portion of whipped cream. Dice the last strawberry and decorate the top of the cake with it. Store the cake in the refrigerator until ready to serve. If you want to receive more healthy recipes, please subscribe to my channel for more to come.